We are using a mind right now in the physical body to think, to remember. As I said, to remember the memories which creates life actually. But do we also have a mind there? I'm only talking of senses. What about mind? Does it still think? Of course it does. That body is still thinking like this body. Mind is still the same. Has the mind changed somewhat? Little bit. What is the change in the mind? It can remember more than this mind can remember here. This mind tries to restrict its memory to physical experiences. And we can't even remember that. We can't remember childhood. I can't remember what breakfast I had yesterday. This mind is so poor in memory, when our vision can become so good without physical body, does the mind also become sharp? Sure. The capacity to remember increases. The most beautiful experience that one has at that time, you can remember time before your birth in the physical body and know where you were in that body, not in the physical body. Personal experience through a memory of the same mind in another form of what happened 100 years ago, 200 years ago. Now, people who have done these exercises, and lots of them in India who do that, have estimated that the physical life very short, 100, 120 years, maybe maximum will be 135 years. Some scientists have said the body is not designed to live more than 135 years. Some claim by constant organ transplants we can make it much longer. The brain has to be kept the same. If the brain is transplanted, it becomes a different person. Therefore, it's a short time. They say from the memories collected from the other body and their ability to project a future by hoping is at least between 1,000 to 3,000 of physical time. Let's say, supposing that's the average life of an astral body, a sensory body. We should be able to remember old things and make forecasts for future, same way like we do here, but on a different scale. But is that the end of a discovery? It's just an experience. It's only an experience. We're just having an experience through the self operating through sense perceptions without body. It's not knowledge of the self. We have not learned how the self can do that. We have not learned what the self is. So it is not a self-realization. It's merely a different experience which looks more long-standing, looks like it is a longer time version in that, but still an experience.